Welcome to PC.Solutions. In this video, we will introduce the effortless way to view Outlook files and folders. Here, we are going to show you how to migrate Thunderbird email into IMAP account. Let's start by downloading PC.Thunderbird email converter on our machines. Now, go to the Open tab. Software support different email clients and file formats. First, go to the Open tab and select Thunderbird if you have Thunderbird application running on your machine. Choose Configured Account, otherwise, select Choose Folder option to upload Thunderbird emails. As you can see, different folders listed in the software interface on the left. You can hide system folders during conversion. It is done by running the application on a Windows computer and click on Compact option. It also hides subfolders to facilitate the conversion. Now tap on any of the mailbox for data preview. As you see now, all the emails in the Thunderbird folder are listed one by one. Now, click the email to view the message. This way you can preview the Thunderbird email message with all the properties and elements such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If you want to see the email attachment, tap on it and choose whether you want to open it or save it. First, go to Export tab, then list multiple saving options to save Thunderbird mailboxes. And Extract option available to take out email addresses, phone number and attachments from Thunderbird files. Select IMAP option from the Export option list. Then, mark the required folder and unmark the rest. Now, let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. The first is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next is an include email header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. The last one is appended to default folders. This option is basically for the mapping of the folders such as inbox to inbox, sent to sent and more. It allows user to insert emails into default mail folders. Now, enter the name of the folder that you want to create in IMAP account containing Thunderbird emails in the Backup Folder Name tab. Then, fill the email address, password, of the IMAP account. Fill the server address and port number of your IMAP account. After all, click on the Save button to start the process of Thunderbird to IMAP account migration. After some time, a complete conversion message pop-ups on your screen as shown in the video. Finally, go to your IMAP account. You will see a folder named as Exported. Tap on it and get the Thunderbird emails with all properties.